Hey Lars, how are you doing?
Hi, good, thank you. How are you?
I'm also really good, thank you. Could you explain me a little bit more about yourself and what you do here at BrightWolves?
Yes, of course. So my name is Lars. I work 4 years at the company, now as an engagement lead. And in my free time, I like to do a lot of sports, currently doing a lot of triathlon in my free time.
Oh, okay, interesting. So you've been here for quite a while. Then how would you describe BrightWolves in 3 words?
I would describe BrightWolves as being dynamic, because we're dynamic, motivated and young people. The interrupter, we're not the average consulting company. And thirdly, excellence, because that's what you want to deliver to the client.
And what exactly does it mean to be an engagement lead here at BrightWolves?
Being an engagement lead is all about still delivering quality of work on your own project, but also guiding a team of other wolves at the project or just at BrightWolves and really coaching them, growing them, and as well growing your own expertise in a certain domain.
What would you say are the 3 top skills that someone really needs in that kind of role?
Top 3 skills are coaching skills, of course, time management, and eagerness to grow yourself and keep on learning every day.
And do you think that there is something people often misunderstand about this role?
Yes, I do think. I think a lot of people think that being an engagement lead also involves selling a lot of projects, but that's not really the main scope. If you do, perfect, but the goal is really on leading a team of consultants and growing others and developing your own expertise.
And what was your personal journey toward becoming an engagement lead?
Yeah, so I started at BrightWolves 4 years ago, just after graduating. And then I was a business analyst for 1.5 years, followed by having the consultant role for 2 years. And during that time, I did 6 different big projects at the client and a lot of internal projects, initiatives at BrightWolves, which goes from creating and selling market reports in certain industries, but also organizing the ski trip of BrightWolves, for example.
And as a mentor, how do you balance leading versus doing?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think first of all, it's important to get your own work done, to manage your own project. And then on top of that, you can lead the others. And leading is really all about having one-to-one conversations with them, giving them the right tools and responsibilities for me.
And what does mentoring mean to you personally?
Personally, for me, mentoring means growing other people, giving them opportunities to discover new things, but also giving them the responsibilities to let them prove who they are and what they're capable of. It's that way that you grow the people for me.
What would you say is really your favorite part about your job?
My favorite part about this job is, first of all, having the opportunity to grow BrightWolves from within. So as engagement lead, consultant, business analyst, you have the opportunity to grow the company. And secondly, of course, the fantastic after-work events that BrightWolves organizes.
Do you have like a favorite tribe to work with?
Yeah, for me it's the sustainability tribe. I really believe it's the cornerstone of everything that we should offer. And I think in the coming months and weeks, there are some nice new initiatives and offerings in the pipeline.
All right, thank you. That was very interesting. I hope to see you again soon.
Yeah, thanks. Bye-bye.